Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So we just wrapped up the iPhone 14 Pro Max video. So the first thing I'm gonna do on my new phone is I'm gonna put on a screen protector, and we're gonna be using the Spigen Glaster Easy Fit screen protector for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is probably my favorite screen protector, probably my most recommended screen protector, and the reason for that is it's just 15 bucks for two of them, so $7.50 a piece basically, which is a great price. That way, you know, your screen protectors are probably gonna break. I typically do crack my screen protectors from time to time, but that's why you buy a bunch of them and you replace them as you go, and you save the screen on your iPhone. Now, who knows? These iPhones are supposed to be getting pretty good to where you maybe don't even need a screen protector anymore, but I'm still of the mindset of this device costs more than $1,000 bucks, so let's protect it, you know, a little bit. And then the reason why I like Spigen so much in terms of their screen protectors really boils down to this application tray. There really isn't a better application tray out there, or application process out there. It makes it super easy to apply your screen protector. So we're gonna do that today. I'll kind of walk you through the process, and then we'll go from there. All right, so first thing first, there's one key to putting on a new screen protector. And the word of the day is cleanliness. So in order to have a successful application, you've got to get your screen clean. I mean, you have to remove absolutely everything. If you have a little particle on your screen, you're going to get an air pocket there. You're not going to be able to get that out, and so you got to have a clean screen on your phone. So I do like to turn my screen off, and the reason for that is I feel like I can see like the particles on my screen a little bit better. And then we're going to spend quite a bit of time here just cleaning this thing up and getting it as clean as we can so that we can apply that tray. So I'm taking out the alcohol wipe. I'm just gonna really give that a good wipe down. Just get that as clean as I can. Again, this is the most important step. All other steps are easy. This step here makes or breaks how the screen protector looks afterwards. See, I can see, might be hard to see on the camera, but there's a little dot right there. And actually just left a hair behind. There we go. All right, I'm just kind of looking. The cool thing is, it's a new phone, and so there shouldn't be much on here. Now, I didn't just unbox this. I've been using this for a few days now. I think I got this I don't know when I got this. Maybe I've had it a week, I guess. All right, get that good and clean. Not seeing anything on there. All right, so the simple step is you're basically gonna peel back the back of this, which is going to expose the sticky side of the screen protector. So it says back right there. And then here's the front. You'll press down on that, and that'll seal it to the phone. And the alignment tray will help you align it on here just so you get the right fit. So you want to make sure you look for the top arrow so you know where the top of the phone goes. All right, peel that off, set that to the side, and then very carefully, I'm going to rotate this real quick. I'm just going to put this on here. There we go. Press down, slide it in the middle. Give it just a second. All right. I'm gonna peel this piece of tape back in the middle. That's gonna release the tray from the screen protector. All right, and there we go. There's one other piece of plastic here. Now we've got a couple of air pockets here, so I'm just gonna try to wipe those out with some pressure, and I think we're good. Not seeing any other air pockets. All right, let's turn it on. Yep, I don't see any air pockets in there. So again, keeping it clean, getting it clean, is the key. And let's turn it on there, see how it works. One thing that's interesting I noticed is there's not a cutout at the top. So the glass covers your FaceTime camera, the all those camera modules on the front, your front-facing cameras that help with FaceTime. So let's start it up and let's make sure that Face Unlock still works. All right, flip up. Very good, very quick. There you have it. That is the Spigen Glaster Easy Fit screen protector for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. That's how easy it is. Put that on there. And I've got another one saved. This one cracks. I'm good to go. Got some protection on my phone. I am all set. All right, thanks guys. That's all for this one. I'll leave a link to these down below. If you're interested, you can pick one up off of Amazon using my affiliate link. I do get a bit of a percentage on that purchase, so I really appreciate it if you use that link. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. We're going to be taking a look at a new phone case. Later guys. Peace.